Oof. Huh? What is that? Where am I? Hey, who are you? Who are you? Bah, bah, bah. Bah!
I still don't get what you're saying.
Who are you? Bah!
Who are you guys?
Not so. And why these two talk like that?
I don't know about my friend here, but I assume that this guy talks like that because his body is blocking his whole mouth.
What are your names?
I am Medic Bag, and this is Doorstopper.
You're Doorstopper too? Bah!
All of you guys are Doorstoppers that appeared across many universes. Now you can see there are only 3 of you here, but maybe next time there will be more.